Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the cash budget sums. So first we'll discuss the question. On 30th September 2017, the balance sheet of M Limited was as under. So we have a few items under liabilities side, as such as equity shares, reserves, trade creditors, proposed dividend. Asset side, we have equipment, which is given at the cost price as 20,000 and depreciation is 5,000. So obviously it is 15,000. And we have stock 20,000, trade debtors 15,000, bank balance is 35,000. The company is developing a system of forward planning, and on 1st October 2017, it supplies the following information. So here the information is available for 4 months: September, October, November, December. And how many items is given here? We have sales and purchase. So sales, both cash sales and credit sales are given, and under purchase, credit purchase is given. So we are assuming that entire amount of purchases are done on credit basis. But then sales we have for both as cash and credit. The next one, all trade debtors are allowed 1 month's credit and are expected to settle promptly. So when we do sales on credit basis, so for our customers, for our debtors, we are allowing 1 month credit time. We are allowing 1 month time for them to make the payment to us. So when we do sale, credit sale of 1 lakh rupees in the month of April, we will be receiving only in the month of May. May month credit sales amount will be receiving in the month of June. So like that, 1 month delay is happening. And the next adjustment is all trade debtors are paid in the month following delivery. So creditors means that, so he is the one to whom we have to pay. So we have done credit purchase. So for our supplier also has given us 1 month time period to settle the payment to our creditors. And the next line, on 1st October 2017, all equipments were replaced at a cost of 30,000. So we already have old equipment. After depreciation, we have 15,000 worth of it. Correct. So that was replaced, and for the replacement price, that exchange price is 14,000. So we are replacing the equipment at a cost of 30,000. In that we are exchanging our old equipment. That exchange price is 14,000. So the net payment we are paying only 16,000. So when we are preparing the budget, how much cash are we receiving? Only that should be entered. And how much cash are we really paying or really going out of the business? Only that should be paid. So in that case, we will record only 16,000 as a payment in the month of October 2017. And the next one is proposed dividend will be paid in December 2017. So this dividend amount is not given here. Third, so we have to go back to the balance sheet. So here is the balance sheet of September 2017. There it is given proposed dividend is 15,000. So this 15,000 is just proposed. It's not the amount paid. So this 15,000 which was proposed dividend that got paid in the month of December 2017. And the following expenses will be paid. We have three more items. Wages 3,000 per month. So every month we are paying 3,000. Next item is administration. Every month we are paying 1,500. The last item we have rent 3,600. So this the rent amount is for the month September, but then that to be paid in October 2017. So this September month rent amount we are going to pay in October 2017. So they have asked us to prepare cash budget for 3 months, October, November, December 2017. So first we'll write the heading, cash budget for 3 months ending December 2017. So we'll make the columns ready. First column is particulars. Second column is October, then November, then December. Then we'll also have total column. That is better to have it. So always our starting point is opening cash balance. So we'll write opening cash balance. So opening cash balance is not directly given in the question for the month of October 2017. But then we have balance sheet of September month. So in that asset side, we have bank balance as 35,000. So September month closing bank balance will become the opening bank balance of the month October. So October month, we will be writing it as 35,000. So October month, we are recording it as 35,000. So in this, we have to add all the receipts. Okay, so our receipt is only one item, that is sales. But then in that sales, we have cash sales and credit sales. So first we will record cash sales. So first item is cash sales. So cash sale, the amount is given in the table, in the second table. So cash sales is given 14,000, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. We are preparing the budget for 3 months, October, November, December. So cash sales means that amount we'll be receiving in the same month of sales. So we are recording here 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. So 5,000 for the month of October, then 6,000, then December month 8,000. Okay, this is one type of receipt. The another type of receipt is out of credit sale. So we should not write the credit sales here. Credit sale is different. How much amount we are receiving in this particular month is different. So we should not record the credit sale here. We should record how much cash we received from our debtors during the month of October, November, December. That only we should record here. So when we look at the debtors adjustment, it is given in the first line here. All trade debtors are allowed 1 month's credit and expected to settle promptly. So we have given 1 month time to make the payment to us. So in that case, September month credit sale of 15,000, we will receive this 15,000 in the month of October because we are given 1 month time period. So likewise, for October month amount, we'll receive in November. November month amount will receive in September. So we should write 15,000, 18,000, 20,000. So we will record it here. 15,000, and for the month of November 18,000, and for the month of December 20,000. So this is our only receipt. After recording the receipt, we will write the total cash available or availability of total cash. So this is nothing but total of it. So when you do the total, you will get 55,000. We got 55,000. And the next, we cannot find out the total cash availability for the next 2 months because opening balance is not yet done. So now we'll go for payment minus payments. Under that, we will go line by line. So we have done till debtors. The next one is all trade creditors are paid in the month following delivery. Month following delivery means the next month. So again, 1 month time. So 1 month time we are getting from our suppliers or from our creditors. So in that sense, September month we have done credit purchase of 40,000, which we can make the payment on the next month. I mean, in the month of October. October month credit purchase in the month of November. November month amount in the month of December. So like that. So in that case, we will get these figures 40,000, 23,000, 27,000. So we'll record it here. Like we will write as payment to creditors. We'll record 40,000, 23,000, 27,000. So first item we have recorded is payment to creditors 40,000, 23,000, 27,000. And we will go to the next line. So we'll better to go line by line. And the next item is about the replacement of equipment. So we are replacing the equipment at a cost of 30,000, but then we have gone for exchanging the old equipment. So that exchange price have gone for 14,000. So finally the net payment what we have done was only 16,000. So this is happening only in the month of October. So only in the month of October we should record replacement of equipment. The net amount, how much we are paying? 16,000. So only in the month of October, we should record. The other columns, we can put nil. Okay. And the next item is proposed dividend will be paid in December 2017. So the proposed dividend amount is not mentioned here, but then we have the balance sheet of September. So when we look into it, we have proposed dividend of 15,000. So that we are paying in the month of December. So we should write proposed dividend, the next item. That is payment is happening in the month of December. So the amount is 15,000. Okay. And the next item is wages 3,000 per month and administration 1,500 per month. So for these two items, we have to pay every month. So we'll record that wages and administration. So here wages, we are paying 3,000 every month. And we have administration expenses, that is 1,500 per month. Okay, and we have one more item that is about rent. So here, the last item, rent 3,600 for the month of September to be paid in October 2017. So September is not into our consideration for the budget preparation, but then we are paying the September month rent in the month of October. So we are writing rent 3,600 only in the month of October. So November and December column, we will put nil. So we have covered all the items. Then we should find out the total payments. Okay, so total payments. So the addition of these items. Okay, so when you do this, you will get 64,100. Okay, but then how much cash we have? 55,000. How much is our total payment? 64,100. Okay, so we don't have any cash balance now. Okay, so we have to go for overdraft. So we will write as bank overdraft. So 64,100 minus 55,000, we will get 9,100. 9,100 is our bank overdraft. $9,100. I will make it into the one page. So here, when we try to find out the closing balance, our payment is more. So we got overdraft amount of 9,100. So that will become the opening balance of November. So minus 9,100. So when we try to find out the total cash availability, we will get 14,900. So minus 9,100 plus 6,000 plus 18,000, we'll be getting 14,900. And when we try to find out the total payment for the next month, that is November month, we will get 27,500. So when we look at the cash availability, we have only 14,900. And when we look at the payment, we have 27,500. So the difference between here is minus 12,600. Okay, because why we are writing in minus? Because payment is more than the availability of cash. So this 12,600 will become the December month opening balance. So minus 12,600. Minus 12,600. Then plus 8,000 plus 20,000. We will get 15,400. So 15,400 is our cash availability. Then when we find out the payment total, that is 27,000 plus 15,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,500, we will get 46,500. So here also payment is more. We have only cash availability of 15,400, but then payment is more, 46,500. So we have to take an overdraft again. So minus 31,100. Okay, so December month, we got overdraft amount of 31,100. Now we have one more column to fill, total column. So in total column, always in for opening balance, we should take the first month balance. Okay, so 35,000. Then we should do cash sales. So horizontally, we have to drop the total. So 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000, we will get 19,000. And for debtors amount, 15,000 plus 18,000 plus 20,000, we will get 53,000. So when you total it up, you will get 1,07,000. Okay, and the payment to creditors, horizontal total is 90,000. Equipment is 16,000. Then proposed dividend is 15,000. Then we have 9,000, 4,500, 3,600. So this total payment, that is main total, that should be done vertical vertically, so in vertical wise. So when we do vertical total from payment to creditors till rent, you will get 1,38,100. So when you look into here also cash is less. So we have cash of only 1,07,000, but then payment we have 1,38,100. Okay, so when you take the difference here, the payment is more here, so we are writing this minus. So minus 31,100. So the last two columns answer should be the same. So this is how we should prepare the cash budget. Only one thing, we should take only the cash, how much we are receiving in the month, in this particular month, and how much cash we are really paying in these particular months. I hope you understood the cash budget sum. Thank you.